everyone, this is Squishy on Fleek, and we just got another Squishy package, and this one is from Mesokawaii, and this is my first time ordering from them, and it came in like 2 weeks maybe, or 1.5, and it's got this pink packaging, so I really like that, and I just covered up my name and address, and let's get started. In here I have an invoice, but I'm not going to show you that, and it have this extra. It have a lot of memo paper, like just like that, and they're all really cute. And it's got this one, and yeah, so I'll have their website down in the description box if you want to check it out. And here, yeah, I think that's it. So, this is my order. By the way, I ordered all the items during Black Friday, so they were really cheap. So, the first thing I got is this Cafe Dien shortcake. And then it's got the licensing. That is so squishy. And here's the little sticker. So, yeah, I really like this one. It's so slow. So, yeah. And the next item I pulled out is this Hello Kitty. I think it's is it the sandwich? Here's the tag. And I think this one is really dense, yeah. But it's super cute. So, yeah. And here's the back. And the licensing. So, the third thing I pulled out is this Cafe Dien croissant. Here's a sticker, and okay, this is really squishy. Yeah, I think all Cafe Dien are really squishy, and they're really recommended. So yeah. The fourth one I pulled out is this Cafe Dien ice cream. All Cafe Dien have like this same exact tag, and I got this chocolate flavored, I think, and it is just so squishy. So, I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. So, last but not least, I got this Relikuma stacked macaroon, and it have this tag. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And I'm not sure if you guys can see the licensing, but it's right there. And it's so cute. And pretty squishy. Here's Kuma on the top. And yeah. So here is just everything I got, and most of them are Cafe Diens, and again I'll have the website down in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this. If you do, please give it a thumb like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!